This is an instructional video of how to replace an Aquastop. First, we'll put the machine upside down. Just make sure you put something on the floor to protect the machine.
Okay, open the cover.
Need to open base plate. This has the water safety feature, so just be careful with the wiring. Depress the tabs to remove the hoses. That will loosen up the Aquastop and you'll see the connections. See the connections inside. Be careful of this wiring, as this is the wiring that connects the Aquastop to the module. Now we can remove the side panel.
You already showed in this one? Right?
To release the connection, just depress the clip and pull out. The screw needs to be removed from the front. And that will remove the front kick plate.
The side panel.
Just lever that contact. And loosen the screw off the side panel. You don't need to remove it. There is just clips. This one, close the door, please. There's one clip here. Then it's to. Yep.
Okay, here.
Okay.
Disconnect.
So your hose is connected to the inlet here. So once you remove this bracket, this will need to be replaced. You can use a ring clamp to replace it. Once you remove that, this will allow you to remove the hose, which is not held through here. And once you've disconnected the wiring, you'll be able to replace your hose.